Imagine this. You wake up at 7 a.m. in India and you brush your teeth and the Tesla stock is already moving. Apple stock is already volatile. NASDAQ is already active. No opening bell, no waiting till night because Wall Street might never sleep again. Sounds crazy, right? But this is the real news because Wall Street is planning something big. And what do I mean by that? Markets that almost never sleep.
To expand trading hours from 16 hours a day to 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. NASDAQ's plans would see its trading week kick off on Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern and end Friday at 8 p.m.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Kodanda Limited, and today we are talking about a big global stock market shift. That is 24 hours trading. Yes, stock market trading almost like crypto. Let's understand this in a fun and easy and simpler way. So what is the big news about this? Currently, the US stock markets run for limited hours only. So for Indians, that means late nights and early mornings. But NASDAQ, one of the biggest stock exchange in the world, wants to trade 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. Matlab, markets will be open any time of the day. Early nights, early evening, day, anytime, just like your food delivery app. Now you ask me, why are they doing this? Because investing is not only local now, it's global. Today, Indians buy Tesla, Europeans invest in Apple, and Asians buy Nvidia. Stock trading is not limited to just one country. It is limited not to just one stock. It is limited not to just one trade. Stock trading is now global. तो आप मुझसे पूछे इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रॉब्लम ये है कि टाइम जोन्स डोंट मैच. For example, we get important news in our daytime, but for Indians, the market will open at night. Until then, just wait. So NASDAQ is thinking, why wait? Let prices move when the news happens. Logical है, smart भी. Assume you're at office at 10 a.m. Big news flashes up. The market is volatile. Google misses earnings. But the market opens at night for you. Till then, आपकी earnings miss हो. अब इसको हम समझते हैं एक daily life example से. Think of the stock market like a kirana store. In the olden system, shops were open for limited hours. If you go at night, the shops are already closed. The new system now is 24/7 open stores. That means whenever you go, the stock is available. रात को दूध चाहिए, available. सुबह ब्रेड चाहिए, available. No more waiting. But इसमें एक twist भी है. वो क्या है? Let me explain it to you. At night, जब customers कम होंगे, तब उसी तरह आपकी शॉप भी ऑपरेट करेगी. Let me make you understand it. For example, stock trading में इस टाइम पर या फिर रात को customers कम हैं, traders कम हैं, तो stocks उसी तरह चेंज होंगे, उसी तरह मूव करेंगे. इसमें prices फास्ट मूव होंगे, पर इसमें रिस्क भी ज्यादा है. So how does this change investing? This is not just about longer hours. This changes how market behaves, how stock trading works now. First, volatility. At night, when fewer traders are available there, then prices move swiftly. Second, machines get more power. Humans get tired, machine don't. System doesn't. Third, news reaction becomes instant. No more waiting hours, no more waiting till yesterday or tomorrow. In this system, market become faster and a bit more emotional. So, is this good for retail investors or not? Well, it's both. Let me explain. So, Indians can now trade at night at any time. No more waiting hours for them. They can trade at flexible hours. Now, this also has a risky side. Emotional trading, risk is doubled, then fewer traders, more volatility, more price increase, more price decrease, it chips. This has a very simple rule. More opportunity does not always mean more profit. It also means a risk is coming along with it. Now let's compare this with crypto. Crypto is already 24/7, but it does not treat stock like memes. Fundamentals matter. Crypto is news driven. Stock market is also already moving in that direction slowly, but with rules, regulations and real businesses. Remember, market hours बदलने से discipline नहीं बदलनी चाहिए. Now, you ask me why this is a very big news. Is it? Yes, it is a very big deal. When Wall Street changes, the market, the world listens to it. This is not just a small news. This is a structural change in the world global finance. This impacts traders, investors, institutions, and even the market psychology. So yes, Wall Street might never sleep again, but you also don't have to lose your sleep either. Just subscribe to the channel Kodanda Investments.